Hi guys, my name is Chico Razia. I'm an architect from the city of Curitiba in southern Brazil. In my spare time, I love to explore the landscape on two wheels, be it on a bike or on motorbike. My final project for CS50 is called Will It Rain on My Ride? It's a minimalist tool to check weather forecasts for a planned ride. So, on the start page, I can set my ride origin. Let's say I'm riding from Curitiba to the city of, let's say, Joinville, in a neighboring state. And I'll ride it today, on the 30th. If I click on Will It Rain, it will get the weather forecasts and plot a map highlighting where I may find rain along the way. If I register and log in into the tool, I can get some new functionality. So let's create a new user, the password, and as soon as I log in, I'll have access to a page called My Rides, where I can save my rides. So let's do another one. Let's ride from Santos to the city of São Paulo. And let's say we'll ride it on the 1st of January. And it looks like rain again. Well, now that I'm logged in, I can save this ride. So let's name it Santos to São Paulo and save it. Now that it's saved, I can check again. Let's say we won't ride it on the 30th, we'll ride it on the 4th of January. Oh, it's looking a lot better now. There's no prediction of rain for that day. So I can reschedule my rides depending on the forecasts. So how does it work? It relies on two APIs, Openroute Services and Open-meteo. First, the app uses the Openroute Services to gather navigation data for the intended trip. This will plot the course between the start point and the destination. Then the navigation waypoints are condensed to approximately 20 kilometers apart along the route. This will optimize the data and diminish the number of calls to the Open-meteo API for fetching the precipitation probability forecasts. Then it applies a very simple prediction logic. If at any single point along my route there's over 50% chance of rain, it will indicate a prediction of rain. This is CS50, and this was Will It Rain on My Ride? Thank you.